Welcome to another adventure with Getting Lost. Today, we are going to continue our journey along the Whampoa River in search of the source of the river. And in our past video, we have walked past Kallang area, and now we're heading towards the source. So I guess what you need to do now is you just need to join me for my adventure, and let's see what's happened next after the intro. And welcome back. As we keep walking along the Whampoa River, you'll notice that we have walked into a nice residential area. And here there are lots of covered walkways, there are lots of bridges, there are lots of residential places to stay. And here is the Whampoa River that we're following. And you can also see vegetations in the water. The water here is very clear, and also fishes swimming in the water. And we have reached another bridge here, and now we're going to continue walking, and let's see what we can find as we go on the bridge and have a look at the river. And here we are at the river. We are reaching evening time, and the weather seems to be quite nice. And this place also seems to be a very nice place that people like to come here and sit in the shade under the bridge, on the bridge, and enjoy the view of the river. This place here looks so nice, doesn't it? I must say, the people living here has a very good view, a very good environment to enjoy this place, which I feel that it is good, very nice. And also landscaping done. Look at the railings at the other side of the river, and a lot of vegetation coming down, landscaping done. They did it quite well. And there's even fishes in the water, look at that. Unfortunately, we don't actually catch the fish to eat. The fishes are just to help to maintain the habitat in the river. And we're actually further up the river now from the bridge earlier. As you can see, nice flats. And we are coming towards another bridge. This bridge seems a bit older, and there's also two huge pipes on one side. One side of the bridge, there's one huge pipe. On the other side, another huge pipe. I suspect these are water pipes, old water pipes. And in the distance, there's another bridge, and that bridge seems to me like we are heading towards So the area that we are at now is the St. George Road area. And across the road, it's actually McNair Road, where there are also a lot of old terrace houses, which is very interesting. And anyway, we're now heading further up here. And what happens is, the busy road you see in front there is actually the CTE, or the Central Expressway. And so what we're going to do is we need to cross over to that side there, but to do that we need to take the overhead bridge, and in the distance there, that's the overhead bridge that we're going to take. And once we cross over there, we'll be at the Jalan Bahagia area, or Whampoa Road area. And now this is the city, one of the major main highways that runs through Singapore. Cut Singapore in half, and a very busy expressway. And So once we cross over, so we actually climb down from the overhead bridge over there, then we walk along this block, and now we're heading back towards the river so that we can follow the river. That's the highway over there, and the bridge where the highway runs over the bridge. And here we are back again at the Whampoa River. As you can see, the river here, a very nice calm river. And if you keep heading that direction, we'll reach another bridge here, which we will have to cross over to the other side. And right in front of us now is actually the Whampoa Community Club. And the road that in front of us now is actually Whampoa Drive. And so we're going to cross over to the other side. As you can see, there's actually a sheltered walkway there. And to go there, we need to actually cross at the pedestrian crossing in front there. So that's where I'm heading. But before that, another look at the Whampoa River. And we actually came from that direction, from the Kallang side where it joins the Kallang River. And now we're heading up the river, looking for the source of the Whampoa River, which is somewhere over there, I'm assuming. And here we are at the covered walkway, and then in front of us is the community club or the community center, and here is the Whampoa River, and we'll be heading down that direction. Look at that, so many fishes. When there are lots of fishes, that means that the water here is very clean. And if we keep heading up, previously we were over there at the covered walkway, and we actually walked further up a bit, and now up ahead of us is another bridge, and there are actually a few kids there fishing along the bridge, which I don't think they should be fishing over here. But anyway, I'm going to continue walking down that direction, and let me see where I will reach up ahead. So let's just keep walking along. And in front of us, the blocks here are the blocks of the Whampoa Dew area. Look at that tall building. And there's one big field right next to the river here now. And let's just keep walking down. And right next to the empty field is actually the St. Michael's Terrace bus depot or bus interchange. So this is the place where you can take a bus to go to certain parts of Singapore. And right up in front of us now is a mosque. It's the Masjid Hajar Rahimabi. So on my right here, the area here is actually the Whampoa Road area, and also the Jalan Bahagia area. And we'll keep walking further down. What happens is you'll reach the road. This road here is called Kim Kiat Road. So what we're going to do is we're going to cross the road here. This is Kim Kiat Road. We're going to cross the road and continue walking down. Keep walking along the Whampoa River. And let's see what else we can find along here. So as we keep walking down, what happens is we are now walking past a bit of a industrial area, and also places with a bit of like old houses and also old condominiums. but we're still walking along the river, following the river. If I'm not mistaken, there's a school across the river there. And then on my left here is another condominium. And this is the Whampoa River. I just keep walking along. And in the distance is Jalan Raja, where you see the HDB blocks. There's Jalan Raja. Raja is the Malay word for king. So that is the King Road. So Jalan in Malay is a road. So Jalan Raja means King Road or the King's Road. So we just keep walking. Oh, look at that. Turtles in the water. Look at that. One breath of air and it can actually travel quite a long distance before it needs to come up again for more air. Isn't that interesting? Anyway, let's just keep walking down. And just keep walking down. And unfortunately, this will bring us to the end of our adventure along the Whampoa River. We are actually stopping at Jalan Raja area now. And I guess that's about it for this adventure. Join me for my next adventure. Until then, please do me a favor. Please help me by liking my video, sharing my video, and also subscribing to my channel. And lastly, but the most important thing, the thing that you have to do is to join me for my next adventure. I will see you there. Bye bye.